This is part 4 of our series on the DEPP v Heard timeline from the hearing in the US, where we compare UK laws on the use of cannabis, also known as marijuana, in contrast to CBD, a product made from cannabis, including the recent hardline announcement at the National Drug Summit that took place in London, and much more information you may not know. Hi, this is Karen Cole from Legal Minded Friends, and if you're interested, let's get started. By April 2016, Johnny had earned over $30 million, and Amber made under $260,000 for the year 2015. They are both doing a lot of films and other projects, so they are not seeing a lot of each other. So at the end of April 2016, Amber has a birthday party. That day, Johnny meets with his new accountant and finds out a big chunk of his money is simply unaccounted for, and to balance the books, he would have to sell some assets. So he was late to the dinner party. He had texted Amber that he was running late, and she texted him to pick up more wine and marijuana. When Johnny does arrive, Amber is upset that he is late. After the guests leave, Johnny claims he was reading his book in bed, and Amber rehashed her disappointment in him. An argument took place. He claims she started hitting him, and he tries to stop her. As a result, they butt heads. Amber claims he punched her in the face. Johnny goes to leave, and Amber pleads with him to stay. After all, it's her birthday. This is another allegation of interpersonal partner violence, IPV, which I will discuss in relation to cannabis use before we talk about UK cannabis laws. So what do you think? Amber's legal team is trying to link the constant drug use of Johnny as the cause of the ongoing allegations of intimate partner violence, IPV. In September 2021, Stephen Vosser wrote an article in Royal Queen Seeds on the relationship between cannabis use and domestic violence. So if you want to read more about that as a predictor, then check out their findings. Though their findings do go on to note that it is hard to prove whether cannabis use plays a causal role in IPV. And I cannot help wondering if Amber's allegations are slightly exaggerated, as the more testimonials we hear, the more it seems there is contradictions. This could be why Johnny's legal team is strongly making the point to define what is the difference between correlation and causation. But let us now look at the UK law. Cannabis is a Class B drug. It is illegal to possess, give away, or sell in the UK. And the penalty for possession is up to 5 years in prison. Supplying or even giving it away can have a penalty of up to 14 years in prison. In the UK, medical use, if prescribed by a registered specialist doctor, was legalized in 2018. In comparison, 16 American states have legalized cannabis usage. I have left a link below if you want to read more about other countries' laws on usage in a recent article by politics.co.uk from the 15th of May 2022. Interestingly, also this month on the 18th of May 2022, the policing minister announced new headline policies to crack down on football fans and middle-class drug users. This hardline position took place during the National Drug Summit. The Home Affairs Committee will look at the effectiveness of laws, and the University College London has been appointed to provide evidence for the Commission to make policy recommendations. The focus will be on whether the 50-year-old Misuse of Drugs Act is still fit for purpose, as the last review was in 2008, and there has not been a scientific review in 15 years. I have left a link if you want to know more about the upcoming conference set for July 2022. Do you think policy changes should include public opinion on the legalization of cannabis? And if so, what percentage of the UK population do you think wants to legalize cannabis? Well, a poll in 2021 revealed that 52% of Brits support cannabis use. The chart shows the age breakdown of those who support in purple and those who oppose in pink. It clearly indicates the differences in attitudes between the younger and older generations. Before ending, I would like to also let you know a publication in March 2022 by D. Clark for Statista found that police and border forces of England and Wales had over 159,000 cannabis seizures. I have noticed an increase in child contact applications where the other parent has requested a drug test. And just to give you an example, one average joint has 120 mgs of THC. A test will show as little as 0.025 mg of THC on a test. And interestingly, CBD, which is legal, up to 0.2 mgs. Yet some CBD could have up to 1 mgs of THC, so it would show up on the test. If you want more information on this, there is a comprehensive guide on CBD oil for 2022 by whaleleaf.com, which I have left a link in the description area. Legal Minded Friends helps people who want to represent themselves as a litigant in person, either because they make too much money to qualify for legal aid, or they find hourly solicitor bills too high to seek the fairness they are looking for, as our fees are set in stages, so justice is made affordable. Please like and share this video, as you could help someone you don't even know that is going through a legal worry. Please check out our website linked in the description area below. Subscribe free, and I hope to see you in part 5.